is fitting the door sill.
Yeah.
I put that one on and then he's gonna do that part. And in the shed, we've got in the set on. Oh, Luke's got the fascia on, just give it a clean. We got some spare paddles, we're gonna put it on, put in it. Yeah, fascia's on. We got the drawer front as well, so that's all ready. It's looking pretty good. Hey! Right, are you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. It's on.
It's not turning on.
Oh my god, we have power. We got it on. Hey, hey, hey.
Hey.
Spin.
Yeah.
I'm scared.
Wait, let me check the drink.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Hey, we did it. I just need to drain his turn now. Pump.
Yeah, should.
Hey, did it. Did it.
Yes.
High five. Hey, hey, hey. It works. Why does my camera look awful? Okay, well, anyway. So guys, we got WT960 fixed and working. It's not WT940. It's just the fascia because it's like the best one we could get. As you can see, it's really good. But yeah, it's all working. It works perfectly great. But yeah. We had to change the wiring loom because we went wrong. And the connectors were like loose and we had to change it back to clockwise because like we might as well. So we did that. I put some grease on the bearings. Luke did most of the wiring. And yeah, it's all working. It sounds really smooth, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It does look really good. We did it clean because it's like really manky. But yeah, it's all washing. Got it on cotton 60. But yeah, it is really, really smooth. So yeah, 60. As you can see, it's 1600. It's not a WT940. So yeah, Con 60, super. But it's been doing these tumbles for quite long now. It's not gone on to like its normal tumbles.
Yeah.
So I don't know if that's different or not. We don't know. But anyway, this was finally successful.
Yeah.
Got next to the dishwasher as well. So that's like pretty cool. But yeah, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.
Bye.
Bye.